Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, it was an unbelievable miracle collection from Indian Ocean. Very cute little bala Ganesh conch. Very cute little bala Ganesh conch. Also a double open conch. You can see clear conch is the shape of bala Ganesh. You can see the head, trunk, tusk, everything. And same other side also looks like a Ganesh. Totally unbelievable formation from the Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And see this conch you can take as double open. It clearly having two open. When you keep like this, you can see clear right open and left open. Unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean, and conch perfectly looking in the shape of Lord Ganesh. You can see clear head, eye, trunk, tusk of the Lord Ganesh, clear looking like a Lord Ganesh in back side also. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Totally unbelievable collection. It's a cute little bala Ganesh, small size. The very perfect looking like a Lord Ganesh. It is like a Lord Ganesh avatar in the Indian Ocean. Lord Ganesh avatar in the Indian Ocean. Totally unbelievable miracle collection from the Indian Ocean. Cute little bala Ganesh conch from Indian Ocean. Miracle collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.